Dr. Insalaco, it's so great to see you and to be able to touch base with you because I know how busy you are with your new clinic. And I just wanted to say well done. You are featuring in this year's top 25 head transplant surgeons on the ApetoGentleman 2021 edition. Obviously, I'm the author of the article and I wanted to include doctors that I know provide an incredible level of care, skill, ethics. And we met a couple of years ago now at FUE Europe in Manchester. We were on a moderating panel together and we did our speeches back to back. And since that point, I've really become very familiar with your work and it is exceptional. And, you know, you're so highly regarded in the industry by all your peers. And I just wanted to say well done and thank you for being such a fantastic surgeon, not only in the performing hair restoration, but looking after patients and helping educate patients. So well done.
Thank you, Spencer. Thank you so much for your article, your hard job, and your work. It's very important right now to give right information to the patient. Too many bad doctors all over the world, too many bad clinics, fake clinics. So we need the people like you who promote right doctors and ethical doctors, because the main goal of us is to give a good result to the patient, but to give also a support, psychological support, so a person to put on all our desire, the patient desire. So we are here for this reason. And like you say 25 top surgeons in the world, because actually there are so many hair restoration doctors all over the world, but really few are real doctor, 100% real good doctors.
It's important that the patient's reading, and as we know, the article's been going a couple of years now, and it's heavily trafficked. You know, a couple of million views a year the article receives, and it's not about the list of doctors. There are a vast number of doctors out there, and there are many great doctors that aren't on the list. I'm limited to the number of doctors that I can include on the list. But what is really important is the message within the article about the fantastic resources and educating patients so that they do their due diligence and that they step back and that they realize that, okay, I can't just go down the road and get this done because there's an advert on Facebook or Instagram. I really need to scratch the surface on this and understand why is it that you know, XYZ doctor is the right doctor for me. And there's so many different doctors out there. In the big scheme of things, there are literally only a handful of surgeons I would trust my head with. I would trust my head with you based on the results that I have seen from you and the care and attention that you give to your patients. So again, doctor, well done, and please continue to do the fantastic work that you do.
Thank you so much, Spencer. So you will do a great job continuing writing a great article like this one with the millions of people viewing that and giving support to people, to patients. And on my side, I will do a good job to give you the opportunity to write about us, of course.
Oh, brilliant. Well, listen, Doc, I won't keep you anymore. Thank you so much for interviewing and, you know, keep up the great work. So thank you.
Thank you.